Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a topic that's on a lot of minds, how to choose the right AI tool for your needs. With so many options out there, finding the perfect fit can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to help break it down step by step so you can make the best choice. In this video, we'll cover 4 essential steps: identifying the problem you want to solve, researching and comparing tools, testing them out, and finding the best way to integrate the tool into your daily routine. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of how to pick an AI tool that actually works for you. Let's get started. The first step in choosing the right AI tool is knowing exactly what you need it for. Think about the specific area you want to improve or streamline. Are you looking for a tool that boosts productivity, helps with fitness goals, or keeps your finances on track? Narrowing down your purpose makes it much easier to sort through the options. Let's say you want help with writing and organization. Tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly are popular, but they serve slightly different purposes. ChatGPT is great for brainstorming ideas, creating content, or answering questions, while Grammarly focuses on refining and correcting text, helping to improve your overall writing quality. When you know your goal, it's easier to find tools tailored to meet that need. Once you've identified the problem, it's time to start researching. Look up a few tools that cater to your specific need and compare their features, benefits, and even user reviews. Think about what you need most: ease of use, customizable features, or maybe something that integrates well with other tools you're already using. For example, if you're looking at productivity tools, you might compare Notion with Trello. Both are project management tools, but offer different features. Notion allows for extensive customization with templates, databases, and note-taking, while Trello is more streamlined with a visual board layout. Choosing the one that fits your style and priorities is key. If you're looking for financial tools, you might compare something like Empower with YNAB. Empower is great for tracking investments and providing a complete picture of your finances, while YNAB focuses on budgeting to help you allocate funds consciously. After you've narrowed down your options, it's time to test them out. Most AI tools offer free trials or basic versions, so you can see if they actually fit into your routine. During this time, take note of how easy the tool is to use, how it aligns with your goals, and whether it truly adds value. For example, if you're trying a writing tool, consider how intuitive it feels. Does it speed up your process? Do the suggestions make your writing better, or just feel redundant? Another example, if you're trying a fitness tool like MyFitnessPal, pay attention to how easy it is to log meals, track exercises, and set goals. If the tool feels like a chore to use, it might not be the best choice, no matter how many features it has. Once you've found a tool that fits, the next step is to integrate it seamlessly into your existing setup without disrupting your workflow. Start by setting aside a specific time to use the tool each day, so it becomes part of your routine. For example, if you're using a productivity tool, add it to your daily workflow, maybe every morning as you plan your tasks for the day. If you're using a tool for fitness tracking, link it to your wearable device so it logs your workouts automatically. And remember, many tools can sync with others, so make use of integrations. The goal is to make the tool work with you, not add extra steps. And there you have it. Choosing the right AI tool doesn't have to be overwhelming if you follow these steps. Start by identifying your needs, do a bit of research, test the options, and find a way to integrate the tool into your routine. The right tool can really make a difference in your daily life, helping you stay organized, productive, and on track with your goals. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want more recommendations on specific tools. Let me know what you're looking for, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.